I have finally, on my main system, installed Pipewire, and I'm super happy that I did. So going over it just a little bit. With Pipewire installed, check this out. This headphone Soundcore Life U2 is Bluetooth headset, this one. And that's never happened before in Plasma. I've never had that show up as an input. I'm not going to use it as an input because it's G2, G-Track. Much better. However, the fact that it shows up as an input is, I'm happy. It doesn't work. No, I'm not going to hide that. It doesn't work. However, the fact that it shows up as an input is far and away better than I ever got on Plasma. And the way I installed Pipewire is exactly the same way that I did it in my tutorial that I was using a virtual box in, because I was scared. Yep, I was. Tried to record a podcast yesterday with a friend of mine and ended up recording about 20 minutes late because I was having issues with audio. I plugged in a USB headset to listen through while I talked in this G-Track, and Plasma just went wild, and I said, okay, that's it. I'm going to Pipewire. That's it. So now I have, and I don't know if that's going to fix any of the issues, but another thing with Pipewire, and I'll show you real quick. 2 commands. Sudo pamac remove pulse audio. Hit enter. Put in your password, let it run. Sudo pamac install manjaro-Pipewire and plasma-pa. Install those 2, reboot your system. When it's done and it comes back and up and running, it just works. It just worked. I didn't have to do anything. When you click this to install, it's going to ask you to pick between number 1 and number 2 of something. I just hit enter. I didn't pick one. And after that, rebooted the system. It's all running perfectly. I'm super happy. But wait, there's more. I've been trying Wayland session for quite a while now, and it's always worked. Everything has worked except for OBS recording. Now, with proper Pipewire installed, my OBS is what's recording the screen right now. I'm quite happy about that. So I'm going to actually, this Godot desktop shortcut is no longer working, and that's a Wayland thing. It doesn't have to have anything. I don't think it has anything to do with Pipewire, but I mean, it's still here. Right there it is. It works. So then the question is, what about making a shortcut? Add to desktop. There it is. So I don't know. That's strange. Anyway, there's that. And in OBS, I cannot set hotkeys. I can't set hotkeys. I get the red. I push buttons. Nothing happens. I'm recording right now, so I don't want to mess up the recording. But when I'm not recording, I should be able to set buttons. I can't. So that's a thing. It's not a make or break, I don't think. But it's really nice to be able to just push a couple buttons and pause it while I scratch my nose or cough or go get something to drink, whatever, Yeah, like that. Anyway, can't set hotkeys. What else? I think that's it. I think those 2 things are literally it. Let's go to info real quick. Info on graphics. Wayland. There's your Wayland. It's working now. And in settings, system settings, under startup and shutdown, behavior. Right here's where you can change. I have actually changed it to log in with Plasma session, Wayland session. So that's cool. So I've got those two things going. We'll check out a couple of games real quick. I'm going to pause while they're loading so that you don't have to be subjected to all that. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is Neverwinter Online, playing under Wayland with Pipewire installed. A little bit of glitchiness, but I think that's at least partly because OBS don't get this little bit of glitchiness. But not bad, it's running okay. So that's Neverwinter. Let's check out the next one. Oh, and something else. Watch how smooth it alt tabs around. Look at that. How smooth is that? So, okay, we'll be right back. Alright, so this one is Dungeons and Dragons Online. Older game, even older than Neverwinter. So the graphics are dated. However, yeah, that little bit of a glitch will clear out. And again, it's a little bit worse because I'm running OBS, but it runs good when I'm not having OBS running. Yeah, not bad. And again, the smoothness that it goes in and out is just, that's ridiculous. Those are, I could show you one more. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so this will be the last one that I show you. This is Path of Exile, and I like this game. This is between the three that I'm showing you right now. These are the ones that I play the most. I was going to show you Skyrim, but there's about 50 gigabytes worth of updates to download, and I just don't play it enough to bother. So we'll run around and kill monkeys for a minute. And snakes. Okay. That's all I'm going to show you for now. That's my update. Pipewire, awesome. Wayland with Pipewire, awesome. Manjaro install of Pipewire, super easy. Totally recommend. Alright, I'm out.